Today I'm going to walk you through how to send an entire folder using Telegram Desktop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily share folders full of documents, photos, or any files you need, all in a single, organized file, perfect for hassle-free uploading and downloading. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create a zip file. Think of this like packing a box. When you have a lot of items to send, it's much simpler to put them all into one container. On your computer, find the folder you want to share. Maybe it's a group of work documents, a set of vacation photos for your friends, or even a project folder for school. Right-click on that folder, you'll see an option that says either compress or send to compressed zipped folder. Click that, and in just a few seconds, your computer will create a new file with the same name as your folder, ending in. That's your packed box ready to go. This process not only keeps your files together, but also makes them faster to upload and download since zipped folders are often smaller in size. Now let's open Telegram Desktop. Just launch the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it easily online, but for now, I'll assume you've got it ready. Once Telegram is running, you're greeted by your list of chats. Take a moment to find the chat where you want to send your folder. Maybe it's a friend, a group, or even your own saved messages if you're transferring between devices. Next, we'll attach your zipped folder to the chat. Look for the paperclip icon in the message bar. That's your attach button, a bit like putting a paperclip on a stack of papers so they don't get lost. Give it a click and you'll see a menu pop up. Choose the file option. This step is important because we want to send the zip file as a regular file, not as a photo or video. Now navigate to wherever you saved your zip file. For most people, that'll be in your desktop or documents folder, wherever you did the compression earlier. Select your zip file. Before hitting send, you'll have the chance to add a caption. You can say what's inside the folder or give your recipient a quick heads up. This is helpful especially for group chats or work conversations. Giving a little context makes you look organized and saves everyone time. When you're ready, simply click the send button. That's it. Telegram will now upload your zip file to the chat. Depending on your internet connection and how big your folder is, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if you see a loading bar, just wait until it's finished. Once it's sent, your recipient will be able to download and open the zip, with all your files neatly packed inside. It's a much cleaner way to share lots of files at once than sending them one by one. If you got stuck anywhere, just pause, rewatch, or drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, effective guides. Thanks for watching and good luck sending your folders through Telegram Desktop.